Today we're making a quick, wholesome, and high-protein meal. 1 pot Chana Tofu Masala rice with a refreshing yogurt salad. Step 1. Make the masala paste. In a mixer jar, add 1 roughly chopped onion, 1 tomato, a few coriander stems, 2 green chilies, an inch of ginger, and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Add just a splash of water and grind it into a smooth paste. This will be the flavor base of our dish. Step 2. Cook the masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pressure cooker. Once hot, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Now pour in the paste, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and stir until all the water evaporates and oil begins to separate from the sides. This step unlocks deep, rich flavor. Step 3. Spice it up. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, and half a teaspoon turmeric. Mix well and let it cook for about 2 minutes until the raw smell of the spices disappears. The masala should look glossy, and your kitchen should smell absolutely amazing right now. Step 4. Build the 1-pot magic. Add 1 cup of rice, soaked for 20 minutes. Then add 1 cup of soaked chana. Make sure they were soaked overnight for softness. Mix well. Then add 100 grams of tofu cubes. Sprinkle in fresh coriander leaves, and a few mint leaves if you like. Mix everything gently, season with salt, and add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Step 5. Pressure cook. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on medium heat. Then lower the flame and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. This resting time helps the flavors blend beautifully. Step 6. Make a quick salad while the rice cooks. In a bowl, whisk half a cup of curd until creamy. Add 1 spoonful of chutney, mint, tamarind, or coriander, whichever you prefer. Mix in 1 chopped cucumber, 1 chopped onion, a handful of coriander leaves, and some torn lettuce. Season with a little salt and mix well. This salad adds crunch and freshness, balancing the hearty rice.